Great day everyone. Today, I will show you a step-by-step procedure for creating an account in the Hazardous Waste Management System. Let's start. You may search the Hazardous Waste Management System in Google or click the link in the description below. The first in the search result for Google is the HWMS online system. Click Register a new account to proceed. In the user registration page, provide the information required. Your first name, last name, email address, mobile number, and password. You are also required to provide a government ID and company ID. These attachments must be in PDF or PNG format only. Don't forget to tick the checkbox to accept terms and conditions. Then click Register to continue. Once successful, you will be redirected to the login page. Type your email and password to sign in to your account. In the next page, you will be required to provide the company registration details. This will come from the CRS online system of the EMB. If you haven't registered your company yet, you may watch my video tutorial on CRS online system. Provide the company reference ID. The CRS account name is the first name and last name of the proponent. And the date approved is the approval date of your company registration. All this information is in your CRS account. Click Verify to proceed. The details of the company will be loaded below. Check if the correct company was selected. Then click the button, Assign Company to Account, for you to proceed. For confirmation, you will be asked if you are sure that you want to bind the selected company to your created HWMS account. Please be guided that this action is irreversible, so make sure the information is correct. Then click the I agree button. Congratulations! You have successfully created your account in the Hazardous Waste Management System. In this online system, you can create an application for hazardous waste generators ID, transporter registration, TSD facility registration, and permit to transport hazardous wastes. I will be creating separate videos for this different application process. Make sure to like and subscribe in my YouTube channel to keep you updated on my new videos. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. And hit the notification button to keep you updated of my future videos. Thank you.